think what I like better than the forecast is maybe all the food in front of me right now. Many of us are looking to get healthier in the new year. Cooking at home is a great way to start eating better. There are many ways to make recipes more nourishing without giving up the flavor.
Chef Tracy Saltzman from the Gourmandise School is here now to show us how to make some comfort foods healthier, which Jamie's already been eating.
Oh, I've been picking around. That's the Gourmandise School. Is so fun. It's in Santa Monica.
Yep, downtown Santa Monica. We have so many classes to offer. Right now, Cooking 101 and Learn to Cook are our two biggest classes because everyone's trying to get healthy. And, you know, affordability is a thing right now. It is much cheaper to cook at home than to DoorDash.
I know.
Very true.
It is, absolutely. I still want people to go out to restaurants because the restaurants need the business.
Definitely,
but if you are going to eat at home,
yes.
I mean, you have brought some just gorgeous looking stuff here.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, we made a nice vegetarian soup. So this is completely vegetarian, but if you want to up your protein and you don't want it to be, you know, meat, you can add white beans.
Love
we have some ricotta and spinach ravioli.
I'm gonna steal one of these and try it.
And some garbanzo beans. Those are all great. Also, we have some quinoa, which you guys are going to taste a little bit later. The quinoa can go with a salad. It can go in the soup. Or it can go with the turkey meatballs. So
well, that's always great because sometimes, like, I'll go to the grocery store and buy a bunch of stuff, and then, like, maybe the kids don't want that same meal, so you can repurpose.
Exactly.
But so even if you want a burger,
we made turkey burgers today. So if you want that comfort food at home, go ahead and have some French fries. That's fine, but do a turkey burger, and then it's much healthier. We also made a homemade buttermilk ranch for you guys.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah. So
okay, you're coming
I'll
over
trade
here.
places with you. Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm making some meatballs.
They don't trust me with the hot stuff in here.
No, don't worry. I have a little hint for you guys. When you're making your meatballs, use a cookie scoop.
I saw that, and I was like, "What's that for?"
Because they're all perfectly the same size, and then that way everything cooks at the same rate of speed, nothing dries out.
Oh,
so that's a little hint for you. Okay, you guys ready to taste?
Yes, I'm ready to eat.
One for you.
I've stolen her fork.
One for you.
Here you go.
Okay. So I'm going to put them on this beautiful plate that I
Yes, we'll have to show people once you're finished.
Okay, can I ask you, how did you make it like the perfect, the quinoa in that perfect little shape?
We use a little mold. It's like a cookie cutter.
Okay.
A little cookie
and you can put the cookie
take
cutter.
a look.
But I guess you could do it with like a cup too.
Look at how
you just put it,
the presentation's fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, so do we get to try it?
You get to try one.
Please do. And I'm going to make some soup bowls for you guys.
Thank you. And so, do I do a little sauce and a little quinoa?
Little sauce, little quinoa.
Okay, here we go.
I like to mix everything.
All right. What would you like in your veggie soup? Everything?
Everything. Throw it all in.
You got it.
Oh, this is delicious.
Turn that
and
off.
you know, I'm really glad that you picked turkey because we're a household. My stepson's actually allergic to pork and lamb, and you get so stuck.
Yes.
It's like chicken, chicken.
I'm going in for a second.
Exactly. Turkey's great, especially if you can find dark meat turkey because it just the whiter meat turkey is really lean and it can dry out a little bit. But if you have a place like a Whole Foods, something like that, you can go and ask for the dark meat turkey.
Oh, you can? What do I just go to the...
Yeah, go to the meat counter.
And say, I need dark meat turkey.
Yeah, okay, so there's a little soup for you.
So good, I love that.
And you can also do those in the air fryer, or?
Oh yeah, definitely. You can either cook them in a frying pan just like I just did, or you can put them straight up in the air fryer. They'll cook just as fast. You can bake them, same thing.
Well, this is great. Such a hearty soup. This would, you know, I always like soup for dinner, but you need to have it hearty.
Exactly.
So it fills you up.
So you've got white beans.
White beans, ricotta and spinach ravioli, and garbanzo beans.
And spinach is such a good source of iron that people don't realize.
Really good. Everything here is super healthy. Now, if you need a salad to go on the side, I made a winter salad because most people think, oh, tomatoes, they're completely out of season. Go with your citrus, which is perfect right now. The grapefruits, the oranges, the blood oranges. There's some Castelvano olives there, some pistachios for a little extra protein. The more you up your protein when you're eating healthy, the better it fills you up.
It fills you up.
And what about fiber? Fiber is a big thing.
Fiber's super big. That's why the quinoa is really important. All the greens that you're eating, super important for all of that. All the vegetables in the soup.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
And I have to say, looking at this with 3 kids at home, they would enjoy this.
Sometimes
it's healthy and they're like, no thanks, Mom.
Yeah, but it's like if you're giving them a burger, they don't know that it's turkey. You don't have to
and
tell
you put
them.
fries in the middle of it and they're sold.
They're like, oh, fries, great,
Well,
perfect.
I love that you brought all this. I love you have cooking classes ready for people.
Please come and cook with us.
So check out the Gourmandise School. We'll have a link on our website for that. Tracy, thank you so much for being with us.
We always
Thank you for feeding us, especially Jamie.
I was starving.
She's been hungry all day.
Yes.